Topic: Electric field 2. Production of continuous flow of electric current. The continuous flow of current can be produced by use of cells, normally known as batteries. There are two main classes of cells. One, the primary cell, and two, the secondary cell. The primary cell. These are cells that cannot be recharged by electrical means. Rather, they can be recharged by reactivating them by resupplying active materials. Secondary cells. Secondary cells are cells or batteries that can be recharged by direct electrical means. Example of primary cells are Daniell cell, Lagrange cell, Waite cells. While secondary cells may include the alkaline knife cells, the accumulator, etc. Arrangement of cells. Cells have the same arrangement with resistors. EMF. The electromotive force of a battery is defined as the PD across the terminals of that battery when it is not supplying current to external resistor. It is denoted as E equals big V plus small v, where big V is the terminal voltage and small v is the lost voltage. So if E is equal to I big R plus small r, E equals I bracket R plus R. So I equals E over R plus R. Question: what is the current flowing through a resistor 10 ohms from a battery of internal resistance 4 ohms whose EMF is 11 volts? Solution: since I is equal to E over R plus R, I equals 11 over 10 plus 4 equals 11 over 14 amperes. Galvanometer conversion. A galvanometer is an electrical device that is used to detect small amount of current. It can be converted into two ways. One, the shunt. To convert a galvanometer to shunt, a suitable resistor is connected to it in parallel, and the resistor must have a low resistance. The conversion is expressed in the figure below. Multiplier. To convert a galvanometer into multiplier, we connect a resistor to it in series, as shown also in the figure below. That brings us to the end of the topic, electric field 2.